Hello everyone, it's Ben at TV Parts Today, and I would like to be your DIY TV repair guide. Does your TV have a distorted picture? Half of the screen is blank or lines only on one half of the TV screen? The most common fix for this issue is swapping out the T-con board. With just a screwdriver and a replacement part from TV Parts Today, we can help you get your TV back up and running. For as little as $20 in 20 minutes, TV Parts Today can help you get your TV fixed at home. Everything from back removal to the actual board swap. TV Parts Today is here to help you every step of the way. Check out our wizard of TV repair and our huge inventory of parts at www.tvpartstoday.com.